Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Thomas, from Drinks and Drip, and today we're going to be doing a Saru General mystery box. So, if you don't know what that is, Saru General is a international business that sells mystery boxes, shoes, clothing, all streetwear type stuff. And this is actually going to be my first hype clothing piece.
Yippee!
Like Supreme, Bape, stuff like that. And this one in particular is a chance, which means you can go more than what you paid for or less than you paid for. And then it's a Bape collab. And a lot of the Bape collabs I saw all look really cool, so I just wanted to see it. And if it's a collab, it'll be like not as much. It'll be like light flex, you know? It won't be heavy flex, hopefully. We'll see. And yeah, I think it was like $100. So we'll see. It was very badly damaged, and since it's international, it took a while for it to come, like a week or two, especially during this pandemic. So yeah. Guys, let's get to it. Ooh. Can you tell what it is? I don't know. Oof. Only authentic items inside. I don't know if you could have seen that, but... Oof. It says, better luck next time your box was valued. I can speak English, by the way. Lower than the price you paid. And it gave us a code for 5% off. Saru General, get featured on our Instagram page. This comes like every mystery box, I'm not gonna lie. So now we have the bag itself. Ghostbusters? Ghostbusters, my dude? We got a Ghostbusters and Baby Milo shirt. That looks sick. Awesome, mate. Oh, you can see the back. Ghostbusters Bathing Ape. It has this light logo. You probably can't see that, but it's the Bape logo. Woohoo! Dude, Baby Milo is like my favorite character mascot for clothing, dude. I like it more than Supreme Box logos.
Nice.
Most of the logos, my favorite is probably Baby Milo because he's just look at him, dude. Look at Baby Milo. He is amazing. Overall, I don't know how much this is. We'll see what it looks on me. I think it'll look nice. Overall, I like this. This is probably one of my favorite ones because even if it's only one piece, right? But it's still, this is amazing, dude. It's Ghostbusters and Bape. How can you get better than that? I mean, I don't know if it outclasses this, cat riding a pizza, but it's it's up there. It's almost there to this shirt. Anyways, overall, yeah, this is probably one of my favorite ones. The Apparel Zoo is probably my favorite, but this would be right with it though. Because the thing with Apparel Zoo, it came with a lot of good ones, and this is just one amazing one, you know? I don't know what else to say, really. I'm out for words. I'll go to the try-on, and yeah, I'll see you there. Ooh, so now we got the try-on. We got, wait. We got the Ghostbuster. Yeah, that's what he is. And then you got Baby Milo right there. They're flexing on you. They're just looking with a straight face. They're like, get it? Because you can't see my face, so it's funny. Anyways, humor, laugh. You got the, the Bape, I think it says in Ghostbusters. Oh, I'll show you that light. Oh, I'm getting used to this. See that? Yeah. Flexing on you. Get up close to the bag. Ooh. 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 Oof. There you go. Do this if you wanna. Ooh. If you wanna get featured on their page. We should actually do that. We should do that. If we do that, we might get some more following. You see the packaging? It's pretty badly damaged. Look at that. Look at that. Right there. That's some badly damaged. Oh, insert. That's a lot of damage. That's funny. Yeah. Drop a like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and yeah. Peace.